This is Weinkrantz in Tel Aviv. I had the pleasure today of meeting Rachel Alkalay, who's an intellectual property attorney here in Israel, at one of the Jeff Pulver breakfasts. And I'm going to talk to her today about her practice here in Israel. And she's also pretty unique because she's one of the few attorneys in the world that's actually licensed not only here in Israel, but in New York.
Okay, I work in Tel Aviv. I've been working in the last 3 years in an IP law boutique, which most of my clients are Israeli inventors and startups, a lot of internet companies and iPhone applications, inventors and entrepreneurs. I have a lot of very diverse type of clients that are looking into protecting their IP, not only in Israel but also globally. And I see a lot of interesting ideas. The Israeli startup industry is booming. We see every week new companies with new ideas. And we try to teach them how to register a trademark, how to protect their ideas, and how to license their IP in the world market. And comparing it to my experience in New York, I worked in one of the biggest biggest law firms in the States. It's been very different because over there it's been working for clients like Morgan & Stanley as part of a group of attorneys, and doing a lot of licensing issues, and mostly very, very big companies. Here in Israel, we see a lot of startups, a lot of two people with an idea that try to come up with the new big thing. So the size is different, and I think that's the biggest difference that I see. And it's also very challenging because I try to work them from day one until they're global success. I can also be a resource for foreign companies that are interested in licensing Israeli software or Israeli technology or Israeli IP, or interested to acquire such companies in providing them with IP due diligence and IP opinions. And one other thing is that if a foreign company is looking for an Israeli attorney that will represent them at the Israeli court in IP issues, that's another thing that we can do for them. I'm working on a book that should be published in a few weeks, which is called Protecting Your Copyright Online. It's a book that reviews the last 10 years of the development of copyright laws in the US, in Israel and Europe, and compares alternatives to copyrights in lack of enough protection of the law. And I hope it will be useful not only for Israeli audience but also for global readers.